This exam question is about how substances cross the membrane, and the question says, substances cross the membranes of root hairs by a number of different methods, including osmosis and active transport. We've got to describe the processes of both osmosis and active transport, so we need to do both, and we need to make sure that we're highlighting the differences between them. So we'll start with osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water down the water potential gradient, and you have to say water potential. You can't say concentration gradient. So it's from an area of high water potential to low water potential, and that's the symbol. This is the symbol for water potential. It's through a selectively permeable membrane. It's passive, doesn't require the use of energy, and it's through protein channels. They're actually called aquaporins. Those channels go through the phospholipid bilayer. So that's osmosis. Second part is active transport, because they're the two types of transport we've got to talk about. So this is the movement of ions or molecules. So not water. Not water. It's against the concentration gradient. It requires energy. In the form of ATP, so it requires ATP. It uses protein carriers. And the way they work, they force the movement of ions and molecules across the concentration gradient. Energy is used to change the shape of the protein carriers, and they push the molecules across the phospholipid bilayer. So you can include detail of the mechanism. That will get you a mark. So active transport stops when respiration stops. Because there'll be no more ATP produced, or when there's a metabolic poison.